Okay, so I'm gonna be doing some updates in this room. This is our family room. Sorry for the lighting. And then obviously you guys know our kitchen over here, obviously our dining area. And then we have this for our family room. So you guys know it is a smaller space. Now that Christmas and everybody's birthdays and all the holidays are over, we have toys upon toys upon toys. And you guys know I can't stand the clutter. I can't stand seeing all of the toys. It just makes me feel a type of way that I don't like. So I'm thinking of doing just like a little refresh in this space anyway. Something that I have wanted to do for a long time is get some window treatments here. So I'm thinking Roman shades here on this window, and then hang some curtains. I'll bring the curtains all the way to the ceiling. And then I want to try to find some sort of a cabinet for this little wall right here that we can actually store not only toys in, but also I can put my record player on it, and just clean this area up a bit because, like I said, we have all of these toys out now, and we still want the toys to be down here for, especially for like our youngest who's only 2, to still be able to play in our family room. Obviously when we're down here, we hang out here 90% of the time. So I just want a way to store them, but still have them down here. So that's the update for this room. Another room slash area that I want to do a major upgrade and remodel is our main bathroom down here. I will obviously be keeping like the toilet and the cabinet and whatnot, but maybe some new paint, maybe board and batten, or some sort of like a accent wall potentially over here. Definitely a new mirror to replace this builder grade mirror, and then a new light fixture as well. You guys know I recently replaced earlier in 2025, I want to say, the towel holder, so that will be staying. And then maybe a new toilet paper like holder, and then a new flusher on the toilet. I think gold for both of those would be really pretty. So that's the goal for 2026 for this bathroom. Okay, and then same for, you guys know this is our bathroom off of our bedroom, and you guys already know we replaced the shower door late 2025. We recently updated the shower head up there to the oil rubbed bronze or whatever it's called. So we did that. As you guys can see over here on this wall, I took down that like chrome towel holder because I just can't, like, I want to replace all of the like chrome original finishes that the house came with, just because I don't like them. They're just basic and builder grade, and it feels like I'm in a hospital with all of that. So I want to do some paint, maybe a little bit of accent wall right here, and then I got some hooks for our towels. I'll show you. So these are the hooks that I got for the bathroom, and they're in that same finish. So, but I think that I would like to put a piece of trim on this wall. Sorry, I know you can't see super well, but yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking for this. I was just editing back this video and I forgot to just basically close out the video. Don't mind my vest. This is the heated vest that I got for Christmas. If you're like, what the heck is she wearing? It's actually really nice. My husband got it for me. That's not what I'm here to talk about. But so yes, came here to close out the video. So happy 2026. Lots of super exciting things. Today is the 5th. Hoping to get this video up actually today, this this evening, so hopefully you guys will be watching it in real time with me. But I wanted to say happy 2026, and I can't wait to see where my channel goes. I'm really into the decor and renovations this year. I will show you more of my girls' their bathroom, because I don't want to say completely, but I definitely did some updates into that if you saw in the beginning clips. And I want to do that for more areas of the house just because I love doing it. And for 2026, one of my goals is to just do more things that I enjoy, like have more fun, try new things. And so I just really want to do that for other areas of the house. So please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.